Understanding eToro fees is crucial for any trader or investor using the platform. eToro is a popular social trading and investment platform that allows users to trade various assets, including cryptocurrencies, commodities, and currencies. To navigate eToro fees effectively, it is essential to grasp the different types of fees associated with the platform. First, let's break down the main types of fees on eToro. These include spread fees, overnight fees, and withdrawal fees. Spread fees are the difference between the buy and sell prices of an asset, and they vary depending on the asset being traded. Overnight fees, also known as rollover fees, are charged when a position is held overnight. Withdrawal fees apply when you withdraw funds from your eToro account. To minimize eToro fees, it is vital to understand how each type of fee works. For instance, spread fees can be minimized by trading during peak market hours when liquidity is high, as this tends to reduce the spread. Overnight fees can be avoided by closing positions before the market closes, although this may not always be desirable depending on your trading strategy. Another key concept to consider is the use of leverage. While leverage can amplify your potential gains, it also increases the risk of significant losses and can result in higher fees. It is essential to use leverage wisely and within your risk tolerance. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to regularly review your trading activity and adjust your strategy to minimize fees. This includes monitoring your spread fees, avoiding overnight fees when possible, and optimizing your withdrawal methods to reduce withdrawal fees. Additionally, eToro offers a range of tools and features to help manage fees, including the eToro Club, which provides reduced fees for frequent traders. Utilizing these tools and being mindful of your trading activity can significantly reduce your overall costs on the platform. By following these tips and understanding the fee structure on eToro, you can optimize your trading experience and potentially increase your returns. Remember, minimizing fees is an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring and adjustment of your trading strategy.